All right, folks, what's going on? It's Mark back at DLUX Motorsports. Today we're doing a quick video of this 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Mountain Edition, finished off in orange metallic. A beautiful Jeep in person. This video should give you a good idea how nice the body is in the undercarriage. All the particulars as far as lift and upgrades is going to be directly on my website. This is to give my out-of-state people and the guys that are 2-3 hours away that want to make the trip up, kind of want to get a better idea of what it looks like in person. This is a really good opportunity to see what it looks like in person. We shoot these in 1080, so it's in full definition, so you can really see, you know, any defects, and I point them out as well. But the paint is near perfect. We got a little bit of flat black that's came off the tailgate guard, or excuse me, the taillight guard. Tires are brand new, fifth wheel matching spare with a brand new tire as well. And same thing, like again, you can look at the paint itself. The paint is super nice, and you can see the reflection, like when the sun hits that area. Just you can see the metallic in it, really nice. Beautiful truck in person. Again, Mountain Edition. It has a little bit of damage to this front right plastic cover on the front bumper. We are going to replace that, so there'll be a brand new one on it. I wanted to hurry to get this video out there because I had a bunch of interest already when I first posted just one picture of it. So this is the video that you guys have been asking for on this Jeep Wrangler. Hard top. It also has additional racks up on top. Again, all the upgrades will be directly on my website at www.DLUX-motorsports.com. If you haven't subscribed, in the bottom right corner of the video, just click that subscribe link. You can also click on the bell for bell notifications, which just allows you to see the videos when we first post them. It'll come up in your news feed. If you decide you want to look at it, just click it open. If not, you just keep scrolling. So again, 2010 Wrangler. 2.5 inches of lift, 35s. She is a gorgeous Jeep. I'm gonna give you a shot of the frame real quick. You can see the frame is still almost jet black in all areas. So no rust issues. Mechanically, a very nice Jeep. It's just been through our service shop, 4 brand new shocks. A list of service will be on there as well. So again, if you have any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. You can reach us on our website at www.DLUX-motorsports.com. Check us out on Instagram. And if you don't follow our YouTube channel, like I said, click that subscribe button and you'll be able to get notified when we post these gorgeous trucks. Any questions, give us a call.